My name is Jamie Owen. I'm the General Manager of Dealers Auto Auction at Jackson. Every car that comes in the gate gets a CR. We average about 95%. It's tough on sale day. It's challenging to get those CRs done, but with this, it's as simple as coming in the gate, driving it through, getting the photos taken, and then driving off. I think it's going to speed up a lot of time. It's going to make it more efficient. It's going to increase our online presence, more consistent for online buyers. I think that's a real driving point. We know the internet is a huge part of the auction business. We got to build buyer confidence, and it starts with clean photos and consistency.